So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of your iPhone call routing to the speaker, the speaker phone, or if you have connected Bluetooth on your car, so it will pick up the calls on car. Now in order to fix all that, just simply open the settings of your iPhone, and here you need to search for call audio routing, and here you can see this option that says call audio routing. Go over there, and from here you can see this is selected to automatic. Now in your case it might select it to Bluetooth headset or speaker. You can just simply make sure that it's not selected to the Bluetooth headset, so it will not pick up the call on the car speaker. Or if you don't want the phone to pick up on speaker, you can just simply select this option, or automatic I would recommend you to select. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.